Hi, I'm Renee Moore with Monterey Boats, and I'd like to welcome you to the Elite Experience. We've established the standard for the Elite Series. Now we're expanding the DNA into a whole new evolution.
With the Elite Experience expanding from what was originally the 27 and 30 to now the 34, with the 23s and 25s being added as well, not a ton changes. We still have the same high standards between a 23 to a 34. While we look to scale in size, we still focus on the quality of each product, the efficiency of each product, and ensuring that the customer's taken care of through each step of the process. As the platform grows through other sizes, the complexity could grow. One thing that could grow is the voice of the customer. That could add complexity. What does the customer want to see next? So much of what we do is driven by that direct feedback, and it allows us to fill those orders so quickly is because we have such a streamlined team of officials, from our sales and marketing team to the order entry team to our engineering team and our operations team. That complexity, whatever that next thing is that the customer wants, we're going to provide it. We're going to get it done for them right away, as quick as we can. So I would answer that the only complexity we have is what we don't know. And there may be a little pause there while we're figuring it out, but once we deliver it, it's going to be amazing.
Right now, as we speak, we're starting production of our 23, and we have hull number 1 getting sprayed for our 34, which is our largest Elite. We want the DNA of the Elites to be the same. When you walk up, you know you're on an Elite. So the upholstery details, integration with the screens, the digital switching, the performance expectations, whether you buy a 23 or a 34, the expectation of quality, performance is the same across any model that we build. So the boats ultimately can be used the same. All of the Elites, we expect people to be able to go out, tow kids on tubes, go fish the boat. Every water activity, our goal is to incorporate it into the Elite Series. It may not be a hardcore fisherman, it may not be a person that goes out and water skis every day, but they can do it all depending on who they have on the boat with them. When you step up into the 34, you can spend the night on it if you want to. You can, go for longer trips because it's got more fuel capacity. Every boat has the ability to do pretty much every water activity. So we adapt very well here when we come out with a new model, a larger model. Number one, we try to make the assembly process similar between all the models, which helps all the different departments have the same workload depending if it's a 34 or a 23. It really helps in the flow. It helps us get boats out faster. It helps us get boats out more consistently. With that being said, not a whole lot changes other than the size. There are more features in a 34, which takes a little bit longer to do all those options in a 23. But ultimately, putting all the fiberglass together, laminating it, all the stuff that happens prior to hitting the assembly line is very similar between all the models.
Our teams are able to adapt through the complexity of our platform and the changes to our platform because of the support teams that we have on hand. Our quality teams, our engineering teams, the trainers that we have, our manufacturing engineering team, are able to provide oversight and direction to those new things until the team members are fully trained on what specific tasks they need to do and to complete.
We take pride in the craftsmanship of the Elite. This is where it all comes together.